Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very simple gents pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any gents sweaters, jackets, blankets, caps, shawls. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 16 stitches, multiple of 4 3 times, plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border. Our pattern begins from wrong side, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern. Purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat pattern, purl 2 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. Now third repeat, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now last 2 stitches, purl last 2 stitches and then purl edge stitch. This is our first row from wrong side. Now second row from right side, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, knit 2 stitches. Now loop stitch after 2 stitches like this. Now yarn in front and purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass loop stitch over 2 stitches like this. This is our first repeat pattern. Now again second repeat, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now loop stitch after 2 purl stitches and now yarn in front and purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass loop stitch over purl 2 stitches like this. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, knit 2 stitches and then loop stitch after purl 2 stitches now yarn in front and purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now pass loop stitch over purl 2 stitches like this. This is our third repeat pattern. Now knit last 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.